morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I hope this will get up before morning. While it's still morning is what I'm trying to say, but I don't know. I'm uploading very slowly right now, and there's just nothing I can do about it. And I apologize if it's after morning when it gets up. But and the same thing with my daily devotion. I'm hoping it'll be up as quick as possible as well. So, but anyway, hope you all had a great weekend. I I had a busy weekend. Well, it started Thursday. Actually, last week I moved everything out of my storage building. I have a pile over here. My sister-in-law has a lot of it. But the last couple of days, Saturday night and Sunday, I have not felt very well, and yeah, so it's been a struggle. So I'm not going to be on here long because the longer the video, the longer it takes to upload. So what's going on for this week? So this week, hopefully I'm going to have videos up for you. I haven't planned. I haven't filmed. We'll just see if they'll upload. But today, ta-da! I also have some Happy Mail I think I'm going to try to get on this afternoon and do. And then tomorrow I have a small Dollar Tree haul. But I found some really cute things, so I can't wait to share about that. And then Dollar Tree has asked me to review a product for you guys. So I have that in my haul, and I will do a video on that. I'm not sure if I like doing the video on what the particular item is, but we'll see. And then on Wednesday, I have a very special DIY that was requested by my friend Carmen, who is Elemental Design, here on YouTube. If you've not checked out her channel, please go over and check out her channel. But it's a little DIY of something that I made when I put together my baby basket. Little candle wax melts, but they're more than just regular melts. They're dots, and so that's going to be coming up really soon on Wednesday. Then Thursday, I will not have a card design Thursday, but I will have Thursday Night Live. Y'all, you know, they'll say come hell or high water. I am going to have Thursday Night Live this week somehow. But, so yeah, I want to show you the lace book. And if we have time, we may even do an art journal page that I want to do in my art journal. So, we'll see. Friday, I may or may not have a keto living for you. Like I said, I'm trying to change that over to my channel. But one day this week, I promise, one day this week, I'm going to do the video for oils and stuff that people want to know, the kind of oils I use, and what they do, and what they use them for, and everything like that. I've had so many of you ask me, Chris, Nora, it's coming. One day this week, and I don't know what day it's going to be. I'm still trying to get things together. I've got a lot to do in my house, but I promise it's going to come out. And I'm also going to be giving you an opportunity to try some of the oils at 15% off and half price shipping. So that's exciting. And that's about it for the week, guys. I'm sorry, you know, like I said, my videos have been going on sporadically, not necessarily the time that I usually put them up, but until I can get something worked out with my Wi-Fi, it's just, you know, it's all up to the data, what the data does. It can be fast and be slow, but hopefully those issues will be resolved this week, and we will have Wi-Fi once again for at least for a little while. So anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with me. Thank you for supporting my channel. I love each and every one of you, and you mean the world to me. And oh yes, and don't forget, I will have daily devotions each day in the mornings, hopefully. Keep your fingers crossed. I will do them. Like I said, it just depends on what the data does. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to go over and check out Carmen, who is Elemental Design. And while you're over there, go ahead and check out her wonderful hubby, Sazon, who is Sazon's Vintage World. They're two of my good friends, and they have always supported all my videos and everything that I've done from the beginning, and I want to keep supporting them too. And don't forget to go over and show my friend Lori Seabrook some love. She's, been in the hospital and she's sick, and she always worries about her subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to her, go over and show her some love as well. All right, guys, have a wonderful afternoon, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.